Troubleshooting a three-phase uninterruptible power supply involves a systematic approach to identify and resolve issues. Here is a comprehensive guide. Let's first talk about the quick reference table for some common problems. If the UPS is not powering on, a possible cause is no alternating current input. The solution is to check the alternating current input power and connections. If the UPS is not providing output power, a possible cause is overload or short circuit. The solution is to unplug and isolate non-essential loads. If the battery is not charging, a possible cause is battery failure or charging circuit issue. The solution is to test the battery and charging circuit. If the UPS is beeping or displaying errors, a possible cause is excessive load, battery issue, or internal fault. The solution is to check load, battery health, and error codes. If the UPS is shutting down prematurely, a possible cause is overload or undervoltage. The solution is to reduce load or adjust undervoltage settings. Now let's discuss comprehensive troubleshooting steps. Firstly, check alternating current input. Verify that the UPS is connected to a stable alternating current power source. Inspect cables and connections for damage. Secondly, check output. Ensure that the UPS is properly connected to the load. Check for loose connections or trip breakers. Thirdly, test the battery. Disconnect alternating current power and use a voltmeter to check battery voltage. Replace battery if necessary. Fourthly, check the charging circuit. Use a voltmeter to measure the voltage at the battery terminals while the UPS is connected to alternating current power. If voltage is not within specified range, troubleshoot charging circuit. Fifthly, check load. Disconnect non-essential loads and gradually reintroduce them until the UPS overloads. Identify and remove the faulty load. Sixthly, check error codes. Refer to the UPS user manual for error code descriptions and troubleshoot accordingly. Seventhly, check undervoltage settings. Ensure that the UPS undervoltage settings are appropriate for the load. Adjust settings if necessary. Eighthly, inspect internal components. If all external troubleshooting steps fail, open the UPS and visually inspect for loose connections, blown fuses, or damaged capacitors. Now let's move on to the technical data behind a typical three-phase UPS. Regarding input, the rated input voltage range is typically 342 to 440 volts root mean square line to line. The input frequency range is 47 to 63 Hz. The input power factor range is 0.85 to 0.99. Regarding output, the rated output voltage is typically 380 to 480 volts root mean square line to line. The output frequency is 50 or 60 Hz, depending on the UPS model. Output power capacity is typically expressed in kilovolts, amps, or kilowatts. Regarding the battery type is typically lead-acid batteries. The battery capacity varies depending on UPS model and desired runtime. Battery runtime is the length of time the UPS can provide power during an outage. Other features to consider are bypass mode, which allows power to flow directly to the load during UPS maintenance or failure. Surge protection protects connected equipment from voltage spikes. Remote monitoring allows remote monitoring and control of the UPS via network or software. Synchronization functionality ensures multiple UPS units operate in parallel with precise phase alignment. These steps and specifications should assist in effectively troubleshooting and understanding the technical aspects of a three-phase UPS system.